Hey guys, Chef Mike here. Man, it's been a while. Welcome back. We definitely have missed you. I hope everybody's been healthy and safe out there during this hard times. Today we're going to be making a sandwich. Why don't you come on over here, Matt, and take a look at what we're doing here. Today we're going to make a pork tenderloin sandwich covered with bell pepper and onions. I already took the liberty of cutting up all my onions and bell pepper into strips. We can throw that down already. The grill's ready to go, as you can see. And then I took the pork tenderloin and I made strips out of them. Nice strips that are sandwich ready, right? And you can get that too. Now, one of the things I did is I made the sauce already. Okay, that's gonna go on the pork tenderloin. And I like the mixture of, you can't beat Baby Ray, and I like any kind of teriyaki that has some sesame seed in it, but this is the one I went with. It's called soy yay. But any teriyaki that has some of that sesame seed in there. And then we have some regular French bread, nice and soft, easy to work with, should be good tasting. It ain't gonna take long for this tenderloin to cook up. Cooks up really fast. Now that looks lovely already. So I want to tell you, even though it looks easy because I have this 36-inch grill, you can still do this in your kitchen at your house. Anybody can cut the bell pepper and onion into strips. Cut your pork tenderloin into strips, have your seasoning, have your bread, and you're good to go. It's a great meal. It's fast, it's easy, and it tastes really great. So hope you guys stay tuned and check out everything. Matt, while this is cooking up, why don't you show them the garden and take a little break? Hey guys, it's gotten a lot closer since I had Matt show you the garden. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of just regular garlic salt on this thing. I want you to know I showed you the bread already. I'm not going to toast it. I want it soft. I want it that way. You can toast it if you want to, but I prefer it to be soft. I want my onion and bell pepper to have that caramelized look to it. So just keep moving it around. But I don't want to lose the crunch. You don't want to make it too loose. It's pretty close now. It's pretty good actually. Just a tad longer. And on the pork tenderloin, you don't want it well done. You don't want people having a hard time biting into this. You're looking for like a medium well kind of thing. That's about a medium right there. So what we'll do right now at this time, because it looks pretty good, is we'll add our seasoning to it. And all I'm going to do is pour some of that baby in there. Okay, that looks good. And then we get this, mix it around. I know I have a lot of teriyaki in there, but I want it a little bit wetter. So I'm gonna add just the Baby Ray. As you cook, you have to look at things, you know? Sometimes you take, you give away, add stuff. That's why you cook it to your liking. We want this to be a little bit wet. Oh, that looks better now. Doesn't that look good right there? That's perfect. Okay. Now that I have it where I need it, I'm going to turn these flames down on low. And just like I said, if you're cooking in your oven, you're going to do the same thing. Turn your flame down. Let that kind of marinate right there. Let's take a look at the end and see where we're at. Oh, that looks fantastic. I say let's bring it home. What we're going to do is I'll throw that right there in front of us so you guys can all see. Scoop that in there. Oh yeah, that looks scrumptious. Okay. Take care of that. Let's go this side. You know what it is, guys? Being creative. This didn't cost that much. You guys can do it out there. It's not hard. This would be a good variety for the family. You think it looks bomb? I can't wait to eat this stuff. And that's it. Put these on low. That's it right there. Pork tenderloin, smothered in onion and bell pepper, with some teriyaki and Baby Ray. And we still got a lot left over. I want to give a shout out to all the subscribers. I want to also say a good thank you to my partners at Roto-Rooter who came in and helped me out here. Iggy and Santiago and Jim. Guys, I appreciate it, man. We really needed help and you guys worked hard to take care of us. Another shout out to our fly setters. You can catch them on YouTube. And also All League Fencing. If you guys need any fence work done in Southern California, get them online. These two guys are great. They're brothers and they take care of business. Again, thank you for all the subscribing and the views. Had a good time cooking. It's been a long time. I got my Matty boy, producer, director, back at home now. School's done. So hopefully we'll get back on track. I wish everybody safe and God bless. The only advice I have with all the problems we have going on around us, we all know what that is. We need each other. Bottom line, don't care what you are, where you came from, we need each other. So with that said, thanks a lot. God bless. We'll see you next time on another episode of Mike's Diner. See you guys.